A construction accident at the site of the Obama Presidential Center. Chicago firefighters telling ABC7 this afternoon a worker fell down a ventilation shaft for what amounts to a couple of floors, hitting ductwork along the way. Firefighters say that actually helped break his fall, softening his landing. We're told it took rescue crews about a half hour to get to that employee, but he is reportedly alert and awake, and he was taken to the University of Chicago Hospital.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.